an Oregon firefighter, was detained by immigration authorities while heroically fighting a wildfire, an incident that has ignited fierce debate about immigration enforcement during emergencies. Rigoberto Hernandez, just 23 years old, was taken into custody amid his efforts to control the Bear Gulch fire, raising urgent questions about the balance between public safety and immigration policy. But here's where it gets controversial. Should immigration checks even be conducted in the middle of disaster zones? Many argue this practice undermines critical emergency response efforts. Hernandez was held for nearly a month in immigration detention before being released, his legal team confirmed on Thursday. According to court documents obtained by ABC News, Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, freed him from the Northwest ICE Processing Center after immigration lawyers intervened and filed a federal lawsuit on his behalf. The young firefighter was detained on August 27 while actively working to contain the wildfire. His attorneys revealed that Border Patrol agents, collaborating with Bureau of Land Management officers, carried out immigration checks inside a restricted emergency area, a move that has sparked outrage among advocates. Legal experts from the Innovation Law Lab reported that Hernandez was kept in solitary detention for over 48 hours after he chose to exercise his constitutional right to remain silent during questioning. This detention has drawn sharp criticism from immigration advocacy groups and Hernandez's legal team, who argue that enforcing immigration laws at disaster sites contradicts long-established federal policies designed to protect emergency responders. They emphasize that such actions could discourage qualified individuals from joining vital emergency services, potentially putting communities at greater risk. Hernandez's legal representatives also highlight his deep ties to the United States. Having lived here since he was 4 years old, he grew up across Oregon, Washington, and California. Despite starting the immigration process in 2018 by applying for a U visa, a special visa for victims of certain crimes, he remains entangled in prolonged government processing delays. On September 23, immigration authorities dropped their case against Hernandez, according to court records. However, the possibility remains that federal officials could reopen the case in the future, leaving his status uncertain. This ongoing uncertainty adds another layer of complexity to the debate about immigration enforcement during emergencies. The case has sparked broader discussions about the appropriateness and impact of immigration enforcement in emergency response settings. Advocacy groups warn that such arrests may deter immigrants from participating in critical public safety roles, which could have serious consequences for community protection. Hernandez's attorneys from the Northwest Immigrant Rights Project and Innovation Law Lab successfully secured his release by filing emergency legal motions in federal court. A habeas corpus petition is still pending, underscoring that the legal battle is not yet over. ABC News has reached out to immigration officials for comment but has yet to receive a response. What do you think? Should immigration enforcement be paused during emergencies to protect those risking their lives for the community? Or do you believe these laws must be upheld regardless of the circumstances? Share your thoughts below. This is a conversation that affects us all.